Are you looking for the best biscuit joiners to elevate your woodworking projects? Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, having the right biscuit joiner can make all the difference in creating seamless and sturdy joints. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best one? In this video, we're diving deep into the top-rated biscuit joiners of 2025, reviewing their features, performance, and value for money. Stay tuned to find out which biscuit joiner is the perfect fit for your workshop. Make sure to check the description box and the first comment for product links and exclusive deals. Let's get started. DEWALT DW682K Biscuit Joiner. If you're looking for a reliable and high-performing biscuit joiner, the DEWALT DW682K should be at the top of your list. This tool is designed for professionals and woodworking enthusiasts who need precision, durability, and power in one compact package. One of its standout features is the 6.5 amp motor, which delivers up to 10,000 revolutions per minute, allowing you to cut through hardwoods effortlessly. Whether you're working on furniture, cabinets, or custom woodworking projects, this joiner gives you clean and precise cuts every time. Another remarkable feature is its dual rack and pinion fence system, which ensures accurate blade and fence alignment. Unlike many other models, this prevents any unnecessary movement, giving you confidence that your joints will be aligned perfectly. Additionally, the adjustable fence allows you to work with different biscuit sizes effortlessly, making it highly versatile. The preset depth stops for standard biscuit sizes 0, 10, and 20. Ensure that you don't have to measure every time, saving you valuable work time. Comfort is also a major highlight of the DEWALT DW682K. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue even during long woodworking sessions. The non-marring, heavy-duty aluminum shoe provides a stable base while preventing scratches or damage to your workpiece. Plus, its integrated dust collection port ensures that your workspace remains clean, improving visibility and reducing cleanup time. If you're serious about woodworking and need a biscuit joiner that delivers precision, durability, and efficiency, this DEWALT model is a top-tier choice. Check the description box and the first comment for the best deal on this tool. WEN JN8504 plate and biscuit joiner. For those looking for a high-quality biscuit joiner without breaking the bank, the WEN JN8504 plate and biscuit joiner is an excellent option. This budget-friendly tool packs an impressive 8.5 amp motor, which provides enough power to cut through various types of wood, including hardwoods, softwoods, and plywood. Despite being affordable, it does not compromise on performance. One of its key features is the adjustable fence, which tilts up to 90 degrees, making it perfect for different joining applications such as miter joints, butt joints, and edge-to-edge joints. The preset depth settings for biscuit sizes 0, 10, and 20 allow for quick and precise adjustments, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Another standout feature is its lightweight yet durable design. Weighing only 6.6 pounds, this joiner is easy to handle, making it a great choice for DIYers and home woodworkers who don't want to deal with heavy tools. The ergonomic handle enhances comfort, reducing fatigue during long projects. Dust management is another area where WEN excels. The built-in dust port connects seamlessly to vacuum systems, keeping your work area clean and free of sawdust. This ensures better visibility and minimizes cleanup efforts. Overall, the WEN JN8504 is perfect for beginners or hobbyists looking for a cost-effective and efficient biscuit joiner. If you're interested in getting one at the best price, check the description box and the first comment below. Makita PJ7000 Plate Joiner. When it comes to precision and durability, the Makita PJ7000 Plate Joiner is one of the best options on the market. Designed for professional use, this powerful tool features a 5.6 amp motor that delivers a whopping 11,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring fast and precise cuts in all types of wood. What sets this joiner apart is its high-quality construction and smooth operation. The cast aluminum body provides extra durability while keeping the weight manageable. Its rack and pinion fence system ensures perfect blade and fence alignment, preventing inaccuracies in your joinery work. The Makita PJ7000 also boasts 6 cutting depth settings, allowing you to work with different biscuit sizes beyond the standard 0, 10, and 20. This makes it one of the most versatile joiners available. The tilting fence allows for a range of cuts, including flush cuts and angle joints, making it ideal for complex woodworking projects. Another great feature is the large camlock lever, which makes depth adjustments smooth and hassle-free. The non-slip grip handle provides superior control, even when making intricate cuts. For dust management, the port connects to a vacuum system, ensuring a clear workspace and better visibility. The Makita PJ7000 is an excellent choice for woodworkers who prioritize precision, power, and professional-grade quality. Don't miss out, grab yours today by checking the link in the description and the first comment. RYOBI Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner Kit. If you're a beginner or a casual DIYer, the RYOBI Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner Kit is a fantastic choice. This joiner offers easy operation, reliable performance, and affordability, making it perfect for home projects. Equipped with a 10,000 revolutions per minute motor, it provides smooth and precise cuts while remaining easy to control. Its preset cutting depths for biscuit sizes 0, 10, and 20 allow for seamless adjustments, making it great for beginners who don't want to deal with complicated settings. One of its best features is its lightweight yet sturdy design. The comfortable grip handle ensures a secure hold, reducing hand strain. Additionally, the included dust collection bag helps keep your workspace clean. For those starting out in woodworking, the RYOBI Biscuit Joiner is an excellent option. Check the description and first comment for the best deals on this budget-friendly joiner. RYOBI JM83K 6-amp Biscuit Joiner. Finally, we have the RYOBI JM83K 6-amp Biscuit Joiner, an excellent option for DIYers and home woodworkers. It features a powerful 6-amp motor, delivering enough speed to make clean and precise cuts in a variety of materials. What makes this joiner stand out is its easy-to-use design. It has an adjustable fence for multiple angles and preset depth stops, allowing quick adjustments for different biscuit sizes. The soft grip handle enhances comfort and control, making it ideal for extended projects. Additionally, the dust port compatibility ensures minimal mess while working. For DIYers looking for a reliable and easy-to-use biscuit joiner, the RYOBI JM83K is a fantastic choice. Check the description and first comment for the best deals. So, which biscuit joiner is the best fit for your needs? If you're a professional looking for top-tier precision, the Makita PJ7000 is your best bet. For those on a budget, the WEN JN8504 offers impressive features without a high price tag. If you're searching for a balanced mid-range option, the RYOBI JM83K is a solid choice. But if you want a complete set with accessories, the RYOBI Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner Kit is a great value for money. No matter which one you choose, each of these models will help you achieve strong and professional-grade woodworking joints. Check the links in the description and the first comment to get the best deals today.